In the heart of Jamaica's lush, emerald forest, where the sunlight weaves golden threads through the dense canopy, a legendary figure named Warlord once roamed. Long ago, before the modern world, Warlorder was an ancient warrior, born from the very spirit of the island's wild energy. Clad in armor forged from enchanted volcanic rock, he carried a gleaming shield carved from sacred cedar, and a spear imbued with the power of lightning. One day, an ominous force emerged from the shadows, alien explorers from a distant galaxy seeking to harness Jamaica's mysterious energy crystals hidden deep within the forest. These crystals held the key to interstellar power, and the invaders intended to take them at any cost. Warlorder sensed the disturbance. With a thunderous cry, he stepped into the clearing, his shield glowing with ancestral runes, his spear crackling with electric fury. As the alien ships descended, beams of strange light piercing the canopy, Warlorder summoned the ancient spirits of the forest. Vines and roots surged forth, twisting around the alien machinery, halting their advance. Using his spear, Warlorder struck down the lee craft, sending sparks flying and causing the ships to falter. His shield deflected laser blasts, shimmering with protective magic passed down through generations. The alien invaders, unfamiliar with the resilience of Jamaica's natural magic, retreated in defeat. As the forest quieted once more, Warlorder stood tall, guarding the sacred crystals. His spirit remains woven into the land, a timeless protector of Jamaica's secrets against forces from worlds beyond. And so, in the shadows of the ancient grove, the legend of Warlorder endures, an eternal guardian of the island's mystical heart.